Hi, I'm going to answer Hashim from Speaker's Corner, his point over the verse in John 17:3 that the Father is the only true God, trying to suggest, therefore, if Jesus is saying that the Father is the only true God, that excludes himself. So this is where the understanding of the verse needs to be properly explained, because Hashim is falling into a trap. The context initially was that Jesus was explaining that the Father is the only true God when in comparison to false gods. But let me explain it even further. When it says the Father is the only true God, that's the same as saying, for example, that 2 plus 2 is only equal to 4. And we know 2 plus 2 is only equal to 4. But that doesn't mean 3 plus 1 doesn't equal 4. Just as much as any other possibility of somebody else also identified could also be the true God. It just means the Father is the only true God, in that the Father is not an alternative God, i.e. a false God, but doesn't exclude the Son, just as 2 plus 2 doesn't exclude 3 plus 1. The only way the Father is the only true God in the absolute sense, if the verse was said in a different manner. If it said the only true God is the Father, then yes, Hashim would have a point, but it doesn't say that. Just as much if it said that the only answer to 4 is 2 plus 2, then that would exclude 3 plus 1, but it can't say that. And therefore the context of the verse doesn't prove that Jesus is not the true God. You need to put it in context, Hashim, and those that are listening, that is how you interpret the verse, not the way that Hashim did in Speaker's Corner. Thank you.